Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Windows in Dell Optiplex All-in-One 7410 PC, or how to boot Dell Optiplex All-in-One 7410 from USB pen drive. So friends, now we have to insert the USB device into the USB port where operating system is loaded, and then you have to restart your computer if the computer is on. Once your computer is restarted, you just need to press F2 button on the keyboard till you get the BIOS settings. Once you entered into the BIOS setup, you will see a screen like this. In the BIOS setup, you have to click on boot configuration option. Now you have to scroll down the slide bar to the secure boot option, and you have to disable the secure boot option. To disable the secure boot, just click on button and then click yes button, and after that you have to click apply changes and then again click OK button. And now you have to click on storage button, and after that you have to select AHCI and NVMe. Storage is configured for AHCI and NVMe mode. And now you have to click on yes button, and after that you have to click apply changes button, and then you have to click OK button. And after that you have to click on exit button. Once your PC is restarted, press F12 several times on the keyboard till you get the next screen like this. And now you will able to see your USB flash drive here. Now select your USB device. Your computer is restarted again, and it will boot from the USB flash drive. Finally, the wait is over. Setup is starting. Just wait for a while. Now Windows setup screen opens. Here you have to select your language, and then you have to click next button. Again you have to click next button. Now here you have to create partitions in the hard disk as per your requirements. And once the partition creation is completed, select the desired partition where you want to install the operating system. Here I delete all the existing partitions and then create new partitions, and then after I will load operating system into the desired partition. Just follow the steps carefully. Now I am going to select 100 GB partition where I have to install the operating system. Now you have to wait till all the above steps will be completed. Now as you see on the screen, Windows need to restart to continue. Just wait for a while and let the system be restarted. Now as you see on the screen, disk checking will start. You can skip disk checking by pressing any key on the keyboard. So it is better to let the system be scanned and repair your drives if there will be any fault.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Screen reader. Press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to United States. Is that right?
Now you have to select your region from the list.
Your keyboard is set to English, India. Want to stick with... Do you also type with another keyboard? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. Type what you want to name your account.
Now you have to enter your computer name or any username.
Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Great. Now, with an offline account, if you forget your password, the only way to retrieve it is with a hint, so make sure it's memorable. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead. Okay, that's the last step. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
That's it. So guys, we have successfully installed Windows 10 operating system in Dell Optiplex All-in-One 7410 system. And now you have to display the My Computer icon on the desktop. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like, comment and share this video so that others can get benefit of this video.